The Volkswagen ID Buzz isn't just another electric vehicle. It's a bold revival of an icon, blending retro charm with cutting-edge EV technology. From its unmistakable design inspired by the legendary microbus to its spacious, tech-filled interior and surprisingly capable drivetrain, the ID Buzz aims to be more than just a nostalgic throwback. But does it live up to the hype, or is it just style over substance? In this video, we'll dive deep into its exterior, interior, drivetrain, cargo space, pricing, and everything you need to know. Stay tuned. Exterior. The Volkswagen ID Buzz's exterior design masterfully blends nostalgic elements with modern aesthetics, creating a vehicle that is both a tribute to its iconic predecessor and a statement of contemporary automotive design. At the front, the ID Buzz features a distinctive V-shaped hood adorned with a prominent Volkswagen emblem, a clear nod to the classic VW microbus. The sleek LED headlights, which stretch upward along the paint line under the A-pillar, replace the traditional round lamps, providing a modern touch while maintaining a connection to the past. The lower front bumper houses a grille-like opening. Interestingly, only half of these apertures are functional, serving purposes such as housing advanced driver assistance system sensors and cooling, while the rest are cosmetic, contributing to the vehicle's unique front fascia. Moving to the sides, the North American ID Buzz is notably larger than its European counterpart, featuring a longer wheelbase and an extended body to accommodate 3 rows of seating. With an overall length of 195.4 inches, it surpasses the European version in size, enhancing passenger and cargo capacity. The vehicle's short overhangs and available 20-inch wheels impart a robust and agile appearance. The black window surrounds contrast with the vehicle's two-tone paint scheme, where the upper half, roof, and hood are painted white or silver, and the lower half is available in vibrant colors such as orange, yellow, green, red, or blue. This design choice enhances the vehicle's retro appeal while ensuring a modern aesthetic. Notably, the front quarter windows are slightly larger in the North American model, echoing the vent windows of the original microbus. The rear D-pillar features 3 horizontal trim pieces, reminiscent of the engine cooling vents on the second generation T2 van, further cementing its heritage-inspired design. At the rear, the ID Buzz continues to blend form and function, and the large Volkswagen emblem takes center stage, flanked by full-width LED taillights. The rear design is clean and uncluttered, with subtle lines and contours that enhance its aerodynamic profile. The expansive rear window and the placement of the taillights at the vehicle's extremities not only contribute to a wider appearance, but also improve visibility. The rear bumper is designed to be both aesthetically pleasing and functional, incorporating elements for aerodynamics and safety. Interior. The interior of the new Volkswagen ID Buzz stands as a bold testament to modern design, blending nostalgia and innovation in a way that captures the essence of the iconic microbus while embracing the demands of today's EV market. One of the standout features of the North American model is its 3-row seating, a significant difference from the 2-row European version. This added row increases passenger capacity to 7, making it a practical alternative to larger SUVs and minivans. The flat-floor design, enabled by the battery-electric powertrain, eliminates the need for a center tunnel, creating an open and versatile cabin that feels spacious and inviting. With 195.4 inches in total length, the US model offers more interior space than its European counterpart, making it a strong competitor to electric SUVs like the Kia EV9 and Rivian R1S. Visibility inside the ID Buzz is extraordinary, thanks to its upright seating position, large windows, and expansive windshield. However, the windshield is positioned unusually far from the driver, which may take some adjustment for those accustomed to more conventional layouts. Despite this, the panoramic views it offers enhance the driving experience, making both city navigation and long road trips more enjoyable. Adding to the airy feel is an available electrochromic panoramic glass roof, which can transition from transparent to opaque with a simple swipe, adding a futuristic touch to the cabin. Volkswagen has given the ID Buzz a playful yet modern aesthetic, with interior color schemes that include amber glow, metropolitan gray, and dark blue, along with sustainable materials that replace traditional leather. These design choices create a warm, inviting atmosphere that stands out from the monochromatic interiors of many EVs. The removable center console is another thoughtful feature, offering a blend of functionality and modularity. It provides ample storage for small items, includes cup holders, and can even be detached entirely to maximize the flexibility of the flat floor. The accelerator pedal features a play icon, while the brake pedal is adorned with a pause symbol, injecting a sense of humor and whimsy into the driving experience. The power sliding doors, operable with the push of a button, emphasize convenience and modernity, while USB-C ports and wireless charging ensure that passengers remain connected. Dominating the dashboard is a 12.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, which serves as the central hub for the vehicle's technology, offering Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with VW's latest infotainment interface. However, some users may find its touch-sensitive climate and volume controls slightly cumbersome, an issue previously noted in other Volkswagen models. A head-up display is also available, projecting essential driving information onto the windshield to minimize distractions. The second row features ample legroom and sliding seats, ensuring flexibility for different passenger needs. Unlike some competitors, the third row comfortably accommodates adults, making it one of the roomiest third-row seating options in its segment. This sets the ID Buzz apart from traditional three-row SUVs, many of which offer cramped rear seating. The seats fold flat for additional cargo space, enhancing the vehicle's practicality for families and road trips. The front power window controls include only 2 switches, requiring the driver to toggle between front and rear window operation, a carryover from European models that may frustrate some buyers. Additionally, the rear windows do not roll down, but instead slide back slightly for ventilation, a nostalgic feature reminiscent of the classic microbus. The backup camera, while functional, lacks the high-resolution clarity found in some rivals, which may be a drawback considering the vehicle's size. Drivetrain. The Volkswagen ID Buzz's drivetrain is a solid entry into the EV segment, leveraging Volkswagen's modular electric vehicle platform, MEB. However, it comes with some notable trade-offs compared to rivals and even Volkswagen's own ID.4. The North American ID Buzz comes standard with a single rear-mounted permanent magnet synchronous motor, producing 282 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. This setup offers respectable acceleration and rear-wheel drive dynamics, making it more powerful than the European model's 201 horsepower motor. For those seeking enhanced performance and capability, an all-wheel drive variant with dual motors will be available, delivering 335 horsepower. This configuration provides extra grip and stability in inclement weather or light off-road conditions, putting it on par with competitors like the Kia EV9 and making it more powerful than the Volkswagen ID.4. Powering the ID Buzz is a liquid-cooled 91 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery pack. This sizable battery yields a competitive EPA-estimated range of 234 miles for the rear-wheel drive model. While adequate for daily driving and short road trips, it falls short of the Kia EV9's top trims, closer to 300 miles, and even Volkswagen's ID.4 Pro, which can exceed 260 miles. When it comes to charging, the ID Buzz supports DC fast charging at speeds up to 170 kilowatts, allowing a 10 to 80% charge in about 30 minutes under ideal conditions, which is on par with rivals like the Kia EV9 and Hyundai Ioniq 5. For home charging, the ID Buzz features an 11 kilowatts onboard AC charger, allowing a full charge in about 7.5 hours on a level 2 charger. Efficiency-wise, the ID Buzz achieves a combined EPA rating of approximately 85 miles per gallon electric in RWD form. Given its boxy shape, this efficiency is commendable, as the design prioritizes space and practicality over aerodynamics. Chassis. The suspension setup in the ID Buzz, with control arms in the front and a multi-link arrangement at the rear, provides a good balance between comfort and handling. In comparison to the older Volkswagen electric vehicles, the suspension in the ID Buzz represents a clear upgrade, offering better refinement for urban and highway driving. When it comes to the braking system, the ID Buzz comes equipped with 15.0-inch vented disc brakes at the front and 13.0-inch drum brakes at the rear. While the front brakes are impressive in terms of size, offering good stopping power, the rear drum brakes are somewhat outdated in the current EV market. The tires used on the ID Buzz are the Continental Pro Contact TX110, designed specifically for electric vehicles. These tires are optimized for efficiency, low rolling resistance, and quiet operation, helping to maintain the smooth and silent driving experience expected from an EV. The Volkswagen ID Buzz firmly positions itself in the premium family EV segment, blending nostalgia, practicality, and modern tech, but at a price point that may give some buyers pause. The entry-level Pro S starts at around $61,500, placing it above many compact and midsize electric SUVs, including Volkswagen's own ID.4.